YouTube, what's happening? It is your guy Hitch. One of my favorite running sneakers of all time is the Nike Air Zoom Spiridons, and they were made popular or famous by Michael Johnson. Michael Johnson was known as the fastest man in the world back in '96 after he won his gold medals at the Atlanta Olympic Games, and Nike started re-releasing them back in December of last year. They dropped these OG red metallics, and I finally got my first pair. And since then, they've released like another 6 to 10 different pairs. So if you own them or you plan on picking up a pair, I want to make sure you got them laced the right way. Before you start your lacing process, always make sure the laces are completely out of the sneaker. With this, your lace loops are on the outside, so I have no issue having my foot in here to get this thing started. So first thing we're going to do, just slide the lace through the lace loop at the top of the back of the toe box, and then from there you want to take each one of the lace tips and go through the first lace loop. Once you've done that, just make sure the laces are even and flat, and from here, pretty simple, we're going to work our way back to the fourth lace loop, but we are going to go through this lace loop that's also on the tongue at some point as well, and I'll call that out in just a second. Once you've gotten through the third lace loop, now we're going to target the lace loop that's on the tongue. Main reason for that, the tongue on the Spiridons are pretty flimsy, and to show off the 3M that's on the tongue as well. I think I'm worth a couple M's. Show me the money, no Jerry Maguire, rapper for hire, neighborhood murder supply. Once you've gotten to that fourth lace loop, now we just want to make sure everything that's in front is nice and neat. Again, I like to wear my sneakers are pretty comfortable and loose. I would never have these two sides ever touching. And now we're going to go to the last lace loop, and we're going to double loop it. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. So once you've gotten it through the lace loop, you're just going to bring that lace tip back again and go back through the front of the lace loop one more time. The reason why I do that is because I do not tie my Spiridons. I like them to be loose, comfortable, and have like a sporty look to them, and this is it. When I thought about doing lacing tutorials, I just thought about difficult sneakers to lace, and luckily for you guys and the folks that do leave comments, whether it's on this YouTube channel or on my Instagram, a few people told me, nah, it ain't just about are they difficult to lace or not. Like, whatever's in your collection, man, just do them. And that's technically what my new approach is. And right now, I'm really just trying to get all my favorite sneakers out the way, which is why you guys got the Spiridon lacing tutorial today. Now, I have a playlist behind me. If there are any sneakers you want to see lacing tutorials for that's not on that playlist, please hit the comments. I engage with you guys. I want to see what you guys are wearing, what you guys want a lacing tutorial for, and I'll do my best to deliver it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and this lacing tutorial was not too difficult. And if you did enjoy the video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you know when I got new videos dropping. I'm out. A nigga laughing a gauntlet. I light up a rocket and I fill up on beer. Your baby mama watch my stories, she be wishing she there. Can't afford no Ferragamo, highly favored to give. All black forgotten hoodie with some fresh night gas. My new chick meaner than Cruella DeVille. Slap a bitch for the thrill. Godzilla and Hills. We get pulled over by the cops. She keep my weapon concealed. When we fuck, tell me she love me. I'm the best in the field. Yeah.